My name is Tang. I am from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. What I did prior to this was I installed interlocks, breathalyzers in vehicles. I chose Dent King because, after doing a lot of research, this was something I wanted to get into, and then I was looking for somewhere where I can go and learn. I looked at a few different places. It seemed to be one of the best locations or one of the best places for the training. As far as what they had as curriculum and what they provided, I think this was one of the best things that they could have provided. From the first couple of days to now, obviously the skills that we've picked up a lot, enough to be comfortable working on cars in different locations, obviously, and just given the opportunity, they provide us with different vehicles to work on, which gives us different challenges. So you do get exposed to all the different things that you may see in the real world. So dents in different locations, dents on different vehicles, different colors, different material, just locations, which is definitely something that I think will benefit us as we grow in our future. I think the most important thing is the hands-on process, along with somebody teaching you, because just because you have the tools doesn't mean that you understand what to do with the tools. It's important to know what the tools do and how to use them correctly, and having that instructor there to kind of guide you along the path definitely helps. I thought about doing that on my own, but I opted to do it that way just because I know it's going to benefit me more than anything. As far as the instructor and the facility is a great facility. They provide us with enough tools. They provide us with different tools that we may see out in the field, and provide us with the knowledge. The instructors have taught us more than enough to get us started in the field. Going from my previous job, I want to start my own business. So that's the biggest reason why I think that the training is important, because I want to be able to get out there after the training and be able to start making money. That's why it's important to have the right group of people teaching you. Thank you, Dent King.